Welcome to another Shark wire connector video. Today we want to introduce you to the Mini Shark. You can see the Mini Shark is about half the size of the regular device, and it means it handles small wires even better. The difference is same stainless steel construction, same thickness, just only has 2 slots for wrapping the wire instead of just the one. So if we're going to use the Shark, all we got to do is put on the insulating tube over the wire. We're going to bend it in a little kink, run it through the hole, wrapping it through those 2 little slots, and push the connector in. So we do the same thing with the other side. The nice thing about the smaller connector is you don't have to strip off quite as much insulation as you do on the large size. But there you have it. Nice and tight. We have this available at our website on sharkwireconnectors.com and on Amazon shortly. Have a great day.